What's up, divers, and welcome to our channel Azul Unlimited, where we teach all things scuba diving. We're a small dive shop located in Labuan Bajo, Indonesia, with direct access to the beautiful Komodo National Park. On this channel, you're going to find videos helping you to become a better recreational diver. We also have many years in training dive masters and instructors, so you will also find professional level development training as well. Our goal here is to make scuba diving super accessible to everyone anywhere. And of course, to make connections and hopefully dive with you in the future. Conservation and community are also super important to us, so let's use this connection to help the planet. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so that you don't miss any of our videos and we can stay connected. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next video.